The travel niche is one of the most popular on YouTube. Look at this channel. Their videos get thousands of views, and as we can see from the stats available on Social Blade, they make more than $9,000 per month. But this is not the only case. There are many more examples of people using this type of content to generate income. Now, with the help of AI, you can start your own channel and earn money from YouTube without even showing your face. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a travel channel and making your first video. Watch until the end to find out the secret strategy that some of the biggest creators in this niche use to make viral videos. To begin, visit ChatGPT and ask the chatbot to suggest names suitable for your YouTube travel channel. Once you find a name you like, save it. With that completed, the next step is to craft a new logo and banner that reflect your channel's identity. Head over to Canva and type YouTube channel logo in the search bar. Opt for a blank template. Then incorporate some graphics. For instance, try searching for the word travel. Browse through the options and select what appeals to you. Now let's integrate the channel name. For my logo, I'm going to create 4 text boxes and use the curve option to add a cool effect. This is just an example of how you can create your own brand identity. Try different fonts and stickers to see what you like the most. After you are ready with this step, go and make the banner. Search for a YouTube channel banner, choose a blank template, and start designing. I'm going to position the channel name in the center and then adjust the text size to ensure visibility on all devices. There is no need to make things overly complicated. You can just include a nice background picture, and it will look perfect. And there you have it. Nice and clean-looking images for the channel. Let's see how they appear once applied. It looks amazing. Now, take a look at the video titles and analyze the clever method used to entice viewers to click. Pause the video and comment on what you think. We'll come back to this later, but for now, we need to create a script for your first video. Let's revisit ChatGPT and request a video travel guide script for London. Once the script is ready, save it to your PC and give it your own creative touch to make it even more engaging. After you're done, it's time to go to the next step and craft the video. For this part, I'll be using another AI tool to simplify the video creation process. We're going to be using VidNaz, a free AI-powered video creation platform designed for quick and easy video production. Simply follow the link in the description, sign up or log in, then click on Create Video. Here, you can explore various pre-made templates, but for this tutorial, let's hover over the Start Blank tab and select Landscape. Start by choosing a background for your video. Click on Background, browse through the options, and select one that appeals to you. VidNaz also offers the option to use incredible AI avatars, which will not only enhance the visual appeal, but also establish a personal connection with your audience. While you can opt for the custom option to create an avatar with your face, for this video, I'll showcase one of the available AI characters. This allows you to enjoy all the benefits of having a YouTube channel without revealing your face. Click on the Avatar tab, browse, and select the one that you think fits the channel theme. You can also drag to adjust the placement if needed. Now, copy the text for the video's intro and paste it into the text box. Browse through the available voice options and select the one that suits your preferences.
VidNaz AI brings your idea to high quality.
VidNaz AI brings your idea to high quality video.
VidNaz AI brings your idea to high quality.
After that, create a new blank scene, add the avatar, and insert the next part of the script. To illustrate the locations we're discussing, you can incorporate stock footage from platforms like Pexels or Pixabay, which are free to use and have a massive library of videos and photos. Download the footage, return to VidNaz, and upload it. In this example, I'll include a video of Tower Bridge, and then I'll resize it to fill the screen. Repeat this process for each section of the script. Towards the end of the video, you can insert a call to action message and a subscribe sticker. Create a new scene, include the avatar and background, and write something like this. If you want to explore more amazing places, be sure to subscribe to my channel, then add the subscribe sticker. Looks good. Now let's use the text option to add a nice ending scene. Just include the text box and write. Thanks for watching. We can further enhance the video's atmosphere with suitable background music. Search and choose a track that aligns with the video's theme. Finally, add stylish transitions for each scene. Click on Transitions and select your preferred style. Once satisfied, click on Generate and wait a few minutes for the video to be completed. And there it is. I will include the full clip at the end of this video, but for now, let's play a quick sample.
Welcome to your ultimate guide to one of the world's most dynamic and historic cities. Our journey begins at the iconic Tower Bridge. Now, let's step back in time at the British Museum. Home to a vast collection of world art, and for a taste of London's cutting-edge creativity, we're heading to Shoreditch.
For those who stuck around till the end, here's a bonus tip for kickstarting your channel uploads. Remember when I asked you to look closer at the titles I crafted for these videos? I employed a tactic favored by some of the biggest creators. It's known as FOMO, the fear of missing out. This strategy is widely employed in various industries, and now even YouTubers are incorporating it into their titles. Take a glance at this video as an example. The title reads, Top 10 Places to See Before They Disappear. When viewers see it, it automatically sparks curiosity about these places that might vanish in the future. This curiosity inevitably translates into more views. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you're interested in exploring more incredible AI projects with me, be sure to subscribe. Go create outstanding content for your travel channel, have fun, and earn income along the way. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section below. See you next time, and here is the end result.
Welcome to your ultimate guide to one of the world's most dynamic and historic cities. I'm Project AI, and together, we're going to explore the rich tapestry of culture, history, and modern life that makes London truly unique. Our journey begins at the iconic Tower Bridge, an architectural marvel that has become a symbol of London. Dating back to the late 19th century, this bridge offers breathtaking views of the River Thames and the city skyline. Next up, we find ourselves in the vibrant heart of Covent Garden. Known for its lively atmosphere, street performers, and diverse array of shops, Covent Garden is a must-visit for those looking to soak in the energy of London. No visit to London is complete without experiencing the quintessential British tradition of afternoon tea. Join me as we indulge in delicate sandwiches, scones with clotted cream, and a selection of fine teas at one of London's charming tea rooms. Now, let's step back in time at the British Museum. Home to a vast collection of world art and artifacts, this museum showcases the history of human civilization. For a taste of London's cutting-edge creativity, we're heading to Shoreditch. Known for its street art and trendy vibe, Shoreditch is a hotspot for art enthusiasts and those looking to explore London's contemporary side. Escape the urban hustle and bustle in the serene surroundings of Hyde Park. Take a leisurely stroll, rent a rowboat on the Serpentine, or simply relax by the iconic Serpentine Bridge. It's a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. Our journey through London has been nothing short of magical. From historic landmarks to modern marvels, this city has it all. I hope you've enjoyed discovering London with me. Until next time, happy travels. If you want to explore more amazing places, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.